Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're leaving these. We'll check these out when we learn the DP. For now, let's handle the BST binary search trees, and we'll get back to the DP problems later. So the problem here is, well, it is a easy problem. It code 700 search in a binary. Search in a binary search tree. We have a root of a binary search tree, BST, and an integer value. Find the node in the BST that the node's value equals and return the subtree rooted with the node. Wait a minute, subtree rooted with that node. If such a node does not exist, return null. Find, well, there is no any challenge, and the number of nodes in the tree is in the range of 1 and 5000. Node values will be between 1 and 10 to the power of 7. Root is a binary search tree, and I don't know what a binary search tree is. I know what a binary tree is, but what is a binary search tree? Let's see. Before we start, what is a binary search? I believe this will be fun. A binary search tree is a data structure used in computer science to organize data in sorted way, making it efficient for searching, inserting, and deleting elements. It is a type of binary tree where each node can have at most two children. With a specific ordering, all values in a node's left subtree are less than the node's value, and all values in the right subtree are greater. Fine. So we can use DFS. If node dot value is greater than let's make it more appealing. So if we have a greater value, like if the current node is greater than the value we are searching for, then now return DFS of root. Let's see how this will go. Well, seems like it worked for this, and it didn't work for this. If the node dot value is less than the value, we go right. Now let's print node dot value. From 4 we go to 2. This should work, but well, this is okay. Oh, got it. Understood why this is. Now this shall work. That's it. Let's submit this and see if it is going fine or not. It's working smooth and great. Let's see other solutions as well. Yeah, we got an iterative approach too. If root is not null and root dot value does not equals to value, we go to the left, right until, well, the iterative approach is also looking great. Let's implement that too. So here what we are doing is, if we reach to the end, we are returning none. And we are searching strategically. Like if we have if the current node is less than the value, it's kind of binary search, but on a tree. If the current node has lesser value, we are going right, because right side will find the greater values. If the current node is greater, then we go left, because left side we'll find less of values. If we find the value, we are returning it, but the returned answer will go to the stack, so it will pop up here or here. So we are storing them and returning again, so that we can finally remember it and return it. Now let's implement the iterative approach too. While root is root and root dot value does not equals to value, root dot value is greater than now we have to go left. Now let's submit this too. It should be even faster, but space efficient. So that's it, guys. If you like the video, upload it and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to comment so that we'll get a better reach and I can talk to you in the comment section, and maybe I'll get some feedback and you will get some feedback as well. We'll meet you again with another video. Thank you for choosing the channel. Until then, keep learning and keep pushing hard, and goodbye, guys.